Shout out, Master Barefoot. Sir! Ayan, back to Forest Lake. Wash out, paring wax! Okay, 8 kilometers or 5 miles with teacher. Teacher, congrats! Okay, Barefoot Running Day 379 with Teacher Moni. Sarap. Tagal lang hindi natakbo, masyadong busy ang Saudi boy. Alright. Back to Forest Lake tayo, back to Forest Lake. Ayan, back to Forest Lake. Ha? Shoutout natin ang Master Barefoot. Ayan na sa Kodli. Sir, magandang hapon. Okay, 1 kilometer. Yeah. Ang pace natin ay 7 minutes and 35 seconds. Ang colors per natin ay 89 kilometers per. Alright. Wash out, paring wax! Alright. Okay, 2 kilometers, teacher. Ang pace natin ay 7 minutes and 2 seconds. Ang colors per natin ay 174 kilocolors per. Alright. Shout out, Master Barefoot. Sir! Okay, 3 kilometers. Yeah. Ang pace natin 7 minutes and 6 seconds. Ang colors per natin 259 kilocolors per. Okay, 4 kilometers. Yeah. Ang pace natin ay 6 minutes and 52 seconds. Ang colors per natin ay 348 kilocolors per. Ano? 5 ba tayo? O 8 o ano? Oy, 8 daw, 8. Walang traditional ngayon. Alright. Okay, 5 kilometers. Teacher, ang pace natin ay 7 minutes and 6 seconds. Ang colors burn natin ay 434 kilocalories burn. Magpa 5 miles daw tayo. Alright. Okay, 6 kilometers, gabi na. Teacher, ang pace natin ay 7 minutes and 5 seconds. Ang calories burn natin ay 527 kilocalories burn. Oh, last two. Oh. Okay, 7 kilometers, teacher. Oh. Ang pace namin ay 7 minutes and 7 seconds. Ang calories burn natin ay 614 kilocalories burn. O, gumamit na tayo na may wagang flashlight. Last na kami, last. Alright. Okay, 8 kilometers or 5 miles with teacher. Teacher, congrats. Naka-8 ulit. Ang oras natin ay 57 minutes and 6 seconds. Ang pace natin overall is 7 minutes and 8 seconds. Ang calories burn natin ay 700 kilocalories burn. Alright, teacher. Ano masasabi mo? Mapakadalang namin matakbo. Oh. Ano kasabihan?
It's good to be back.
It's good to be back.
1 week ba tayo dito? Lagi na 1 week.
Wala itong 1 week. Ano naman? Dahil
Tayo nito makba.
nag-uulan. O, kasama natin si Amber. Okay. Cool down na kami, cool down. Sisigapin namin yung mapaghandaan yung Bulacan Half Marathon. Sa February pa naman yun, kaya mahaba pa oras. Okay.